Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You begin by confirming the watch is unlocked and awake. This avoids accidental gestures. Next, try the two-finger double tap. This instantly toggles zoom so you can see if it's just a temporary magnification. If that fails, open Settings, go to Accessibility, then Zoom, make sure the toggle is visible. You do this now because it distinguishes a stuck zoom from an enabled accessibility feature, and it gets you into the controls you'll need for the fix. Once in accessibility, turn zoom off to restore normal screen scaling. This is the clean fix. Use the Watch app on your iPhone if the tiny watch screen is hard to operate, because the app exposes the same setting more easily. If the toggle doesn't respond, make sure your devices are paired and then restart the watch. Press and hold the side button, slide to power off, then power back on. This clears transient glitches and ensures the setting change takes effect. After disabling zoom, interact with apps and the watch face to confirm touch targets and text look normal. That verifies the problem is resolved. If the watch remains zoomed or unresponsive, perform a force restart by holding the side button and digital crown together until the Apple logo appears. This resets temporary firmware hiccups. If you still see persistent behavior, unpair and re-pair the watch from your iPhone as a last resort, because that
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.